Hyundai shocked onlookers when it rolled out the fully redesigned Santa Fe last year. The wild new Santa Fe looks nothing like anything else in Hyundai's portfolio. It does, however, bear a strong resemblance to off-road icons like the equally new Toyota Land Cruiser and resurrected Land Rover Defender. That boxy shape makes for a spacious interior with a standard third row of seating and generous cargo hold. Hyundai's typically generous list of standard features makes the redesigned Santa Fe one appealing box. All of the Santa Fe's 5 trim levels have the blocky look of a serious off-roader, but the XRT is the one most dedicated to delivering on that promise. It is the only Santa Fe with all-wheel drive. It sits 1.3 inches higher than the other trim levels and rides on 30-inch all-terrain tires. The XRT also features a household-style 1010-volt outlet to power overlanding gear, and it can tow 4,500 pounds, 1,000 more pounds than any other Santa Fe. The Santa Fe's T-square styling pays off in its interior volume, which rivals that of SUVs like the Honda Pilot, Mazda CX-90, and Hyundai's own Palisade in a vehicle with a smaller footprint. The Pilot is one of the most spacious vehicles in the class, but lacks the flair of the Hyundai styling inside and out. The luxurious Mazda is an engaging driver, and the Palisade offers a sumptuous interior, but the Santa Fe undercuts all three on pricing.